Wash Day Natural Hair DIY Rice Water Detangler and African Black Soap Shampoo. MsSassyPat. Step 1. DIY Rice Water Detangler. I am going to detangle my hair with this rice water. If you're interested in seeing my process, then please stay tuned. Step 2. DIY African Black Soap Shampoo. So, the next step, I'm going to show you how I apply the shampoo. So I'm just going to shake it up, and I got this little bottle, and I really think it's for like olive oils or oils, and I got it at the thrift store, and I just thought when I saw it that it would be great to use for my DIY project. So let me show you how I apply it. Step 3. Styling my hair with Melanin Hair Care Products. So I washed my hair, and I did do another pass through with the shampoo, and then I used the Melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and I left this on my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I washed it out. Let me show you what the results are. So I'm sorry, my hair is just like leaking like crazy. So this is the finished product. I think that it looks amazing. It just smells amazing. and I am so happy with the results. So I'm going to use a little more of the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner in my hair. So I'm using about 2 pumps. This stuff smells so amazing. And I just want you to see what the finished product looked like. So yeah, so all I do is this, and just make sure that the product is saturated in my hair. And then I'm going to use some of the multi-use pure blend oil in my hair as well. Then I'm just going to twist it again and just wrap this, and then I'm going to work on the rest. I'm also gonna put in the Melanin Twisting and Elongating Styling Cream in my hair. Use just a little bit in my hair. I'm just gonna run it through with my fingers. And I'm just gonna do the back as well. Just putting just a little bit in my hair and just running it through. This is normally how I do my hair. Normally I do my hair in the morning before going to work. I never really do my hair at night. I'm filming this video at night, so so I just like doing my hair. So normally in the morning I really don't have time to do like a really defined wash and go, but I like the results. So just a little more of the cream, a little goes a long way. So these are my results. What do you think? I just love the curls. I love the smell. I think the combination of the shampoo with the leave-in conditioner and the elongating style cream and the oil, I just think it did a fantastic job. Please leave me a message in the comment section and let me know what other videos you would like to see. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my very next video. Bye. Recipe for rice water detangler and the African black soap shampoo are in the show more section. Subscribe and turn on your notification. My channel is to inspire natural hair, beauty, and style. Follow me at MsSassyPat. Thanks for watching. MsSassyPat.